Hey guys, happy Pride. Today I'm going to show you my fully loaded scrambled eggs. This is a really super simple, substantial breakfast that will keep you going right through to lunchtime and beyond. It's very simple to make and we'll get things underway straight away. Just get a dry pan going. Let that warm up, and whilst that's warming up, I just want to roll a soft flour tortilla wrap into a fat cigar shape, and I'm just going to snip this in. And the reason I do this is that my scrambled eggs contain a toast element as well, and it's so much better than just regular toast on the side. So we'll just unfurl these before the pan gets too hot. And now, whilst I'm waiting on these to toast, I'll get on with the fully loaded element, which is very simple. Again, this recipe is fantastic. It's as a bit of a fridge forage recipe, so every time I make this almost, it has a whole different set of ingredients. One thing though I nearly always have in the fridge and have in this is some chorizo sausage. You only need a little bit, 25 grams. I've chopped that up already. If you haven't got that, you could replace it with some bacon lardons instead. Fantastic as well. So this is a smoky paprika Spanish sausage. It's not the spicy one. So because I like a bit of heat in my breakfast, I am instead going to use some chili for heat. So just chop that up. If you don't like heat, just leave it out. Or of course you could use the spicy sausage instead. Just give our wraps a little toss about just so that they get crunchy and golden all over. I want a small bunch of scallions. Close and slice them. I want a few cherry tomatoes. Not an awful lot of this because it will make the eggs too wet, okay? 2 to 3 is absolutely plenty. I've plucked 4 off, so I'll be using 4. Okay, that's the toast element done, so off onto a plate with that. And then I just want the merest drizzle of oil, and in with my chorizo, shake that in. So in just a moment this will begin to release all those orange paprika oils, and that will be the basis for scrambling my eggs. Okay, so we're there, in with these. And lazily and easily pre-washed spinach, just a large handful. And we simply just want to cook this until the spinach starts to wilt. Okay, my spinach has wilted, so I'm ready for the egg part. So I'm just going to move everything to one side of the pan. Give me some room to scramble my eggs. And I like to use 2 eggs per person. A little salt on your eggs and just scramble them. The eggs are almost firm enough now, so I'm going to mix in all the other ingredients. Now just return the toast element to the pan. And that's it. Breakfast's ready. Guys, that's it. That's my fully loaded scrambled eggs. I hope you've enjoyed this recipe and I hope you have a safe, happy and fun Pride. Take care.